Rhyming word and hard words, but give me the proper address. What exactly of lesson 1? And why have you raised your hand? Nurul Abbas, Mohammad Ansar, Mohammad Anas, Kadri. Why you all have raised the hand? Mohammad Abbas, Virani. Don't you know how to use Google Meet? Yes, uh, Nurul Abbas. Of which poem or lesson have we done?
Poem 2.
Poem 2. What's the name of the poem?
Alexander the Great.
Alexander the Great. Exactly. So we have completed that. Now here, just be ready with the rough book. No one will turn on the mic. Just be ready with the rough book. क्या लिखना है, क्या करना है, I will inform you. Don't speak anything. Okay. Now, students, as I hope that you will be ready with your rough books, listen to me very carefully. बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट वार्निंग दे रहा हूं. अभी मैं जब भी आपको बोलूं कैमरा ऑन करने के लिए, आप लोग को ढंग के कपड़े पहने होने चाहिए. कोई नाइट ड्रेस में बैठा है, ऐसे बैठा है, ढंग से बैठना है. कोई लेटा हुआ है, उल्टा बैठा हुआ है. कैमरा ठीक से सेट करना है, ठीक से बैठना है. यू हैव टू सेट योर कैमरा प्रॉपरली, यू हैव टू सिट प्रॉपरली. बैकग्राउंड में कोई भी नॉनसेंस का न्यूसेंस नहीं आना चाहिए. बैकग्राउंड में दीवार ही दिखनी चाहिए. सब लोगों को समझ में आ रही है बात? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
मैं
Yes,
अपना
sir.
कैमरा मैं अपना कैमरा सेट करके दिखा रहा हूँ. यू हैव टू सिट प्रॉपरली. कपड़े ढंग के पहने होने चाहिए. कैमरा ऑन रखना है कंपलसरी, एवरीवन. चलो, सी माय कैमरा. आई हैव सेट द कैमरा हियर. सो आई एम सिटिंग हियर. इफ आई एम राइटिंग इन द बुक, बुक दिखाई देनी चाहिए ऐसे. चलो एवरीवन, सेट द कैमरा प्रॉपरली. कैमरा हिलना नहीं चाहिए, ऐसे ही सेट करके रखना है. यू हैव टू सेट लाइक दिस. वेरी गुड सज्जाद, एक्सीलेंट. एकदम परफेक्ट कैमरा सेट किया है सज्जाद ने. कोई पीछे बैकग्राउंड में न्यूसेंस नहीं है. वेरी गुड, एग्जैक्टली. थोड़ा दूर सेट करना. आई वांट टू सी योर बुक. सज्जाद, यू आर प्रॉपर. सज्जाद, यू आर परफेक्ट. डोंट वरी. आई एम टेलिंग टू अदर बॉयज. योर बुक एंड फेस बोथ आई हैव टू सी. खाली फेस नहीं दिखाना है. बुक एंड फेस, बोथ द थिंग्स यू हैव टू शो. नाउ आई विल नॉट स्पीक इन हिंदी. Everyone, now I'll count only four. I'll count four. Everyone turn on the camera. Otherwise, I'll count you absent. One, two, 3, and 4. Come on. Those who are not turned on the camera, turn it on. Otherwise, I'll count you absent here in my sheet. Okay. Give the heading. अच्छा, जिसने ऑन नहीं किया मैम, अभी का भी एब्सेंट लिखो. Yes, in their name. For 3 lectures, they are absent. Next 3 lectures, write absent. Okay, done. ओके, ये 4 स्टूडेंट ने कैमरा ऑन नहीं किया. प्लीज राइट एब्सेंट मैम. Okay. Now give the heading subject English, and below that you have to write hard words test. Hard words test. This is just a class test for practice. Don't worry, I'm not going to add the marks anywhere. But this is the test for you to understand how much do you remember. So give the heading, I'll bring my book within 2 to 3 seconds. See, you people can see my book also and face also. This way you have to set the camera properly. Okay. Those who are ready, they will do like this in the camera. They will show thumbs up in the camera. You have to write today's date also. Date, lesson name, hard words test. After that, you will show this thumbs up. मैम मोहम्मद अनस ने कैमरा ऑन नहीं किया, सलीम ने नहीं किया, मोहम्मद, हाँ, ये सब एब्सेंट लिखो प्लीज. राइट देम एब्सेंट. फॉर 3 lectures they are absent. मोहम्मद हसन मॉब. These all are absent, ma'am. Write down absent for the 3 lectures. Yes, next 3 lectures. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, they are absent now. Okay, done. Then Gogda Rohan. Yes, these all are absent, ma'am, for 3 days. Write 0 marks for the test, internal test also. Okay. Rest all of you should turn on the camera. नहीं तो आपको भी एब्सेंट लिख दूंगा. Then Rahan Charanya, this is also absent. Camera off है. चलो 3 दिन के लिए ये सब absent है. And for 3 days, homework में 0. For 3 days, presence में 0. As a class teacher, I will put absent. Okay, now let's start the test. Hard word number 1. I will only repeat 3 times. One hard word I will repeat 3 times only. Number 1. आचार्य, 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 number 1 acharya.
Sir.
Yes, who is this? You have to say excuse me sir, otherwise I will not answer you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
लेसन 1 की कैसे के लेसन 2 की?
I don't know Hindi, but I will not answer you. If you can speak in English, I can answer you. Continue. Acharya, number 1 done. Number 2, economist. Economist. In your language, economist. Mohammed Anas, I cannot see your book. I'm not sitting here to just see your face. Please set the camera properly so that I will be able to see your book and face both the things. Not like that, continuously. You cannot just show me like this for 1 second. Your book should be like this. You must be writing like this so I can see your book and face both the things. Oh, Bab, I have to see you like this? I have to tilt my face? You are making me doing exercise, yoga. 1, 2. Set properly, come on. Before I count 2. 1, 2. Okay, done. Okay, next word, number 3, hard word. Policies. 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 पुलिस मत लिखना, policies. It is number 1, lesson number 1, spelling test. The one who was asking in Hindi. Okay. This was number 3, right? Okay. Number 4. Chandragupta. 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 Devjani, are you writing or not? Okay. Done. Now next. I think number 5 I will give you right now. Okay. Number 5, depressed. Depressed. Number 5, depressed. Depressed. Again, the last warning, those who have not turned on the camera, I am writing absent here. Those whose camera is off, they are absent for the 3 lectures and for all the subjects. So each day 4 lecture, 4 3s are 12, 12 absent, we will write here. Okay, yes, Hussein Asar's camera is also off, absent. These all students are absent now. Okay, next, number 6. Humiliated. Humiliated. Humiliated.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes, who is this?
Sir, number 1.
I will repeat at last, beta. Don't break my link right now, because right now we have reached to number 6, beta. And if you have not turned on the camera, we will count you absent. Please turn it on. Sir also has turned on the camera. So if sir is following the rule, you also have to follow the rule.
Okay.
Thank you. And if you are not following the rule, please don't ask me the question.
सर एक मिनट में करता हूँ.
Don't speak in Hindi. That is also the rule.
Okay.
Okay, who is this Salim? I forgot his name. I was having a lot of fun with him in third standard. I suppose, yes, I remember. What's your name, beta? Salim is written in the ID.
Amir.
Yes. And your brother was Sadi?
Miles.
Yes, yes. You were teasing me, right? Uh, you were speaking some word in English and you were teasing me in third standard. What was that word? Tooth came out. Don't beat your sister. She's your sister. Why are you fighting with her? You were speaking that word, right? Tooth came out. Remember?
Yes.
No problem, no problem. You just pay attention in your book, beta. I can understand. She is small. Okay, this was sixth one, humiliated. Now, seventh one. Budge. Seventh one, budge. 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 All of you must be writing. Eighth one, enemy. Eighth one, enemy. Enemy. Ninth one, strongholds. 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 Asar Hussain, I don't want to just see your face. I have to see your face and book, both the things. I requested 10 times, beta. At least people like you should understand the method. See, I'm also sitting in the same way. Yes, your t-shirt is very fine. Now your face and book. और रूल्स फॉलो करोगे, हर बार लेक्चर अलग अलग टाइप के होते हैं तो मजा भी आएगा. आप लोग ये रूल्स फॉलो नहीं करोगे, यू विल नॉट एंजॉय द लेक्चर. I'm trying to make new lectures every time. Sometimes I share my screen, sometimes I ask you to turn on the camera. Slowly we will write the question answers on the board as my hand will become good. Okay, next. I think we reached in the 10th one, right? Or 10th one is over?
No, sir. Ninth. No, sir. Ninth.
No, sir.
Slowly. कान के पर्दे फट गए. Okay, 9th हो गया. Now 10th one, wisdom. 10th one, wisdom. 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 Eleventh one, strategy. 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 अनस, आप कश्मीर में नहीं बैठे हो. Please behave. You are in the online lecture and this is being recorded. I don't want to scold you. Now you are in 5th standard. Now you need to understand. Chalo, strategy was the 11th one. Now, 12th one, Kautilya or Kautilya. Kautilya or Kautilya, whatever you pronounce it like. Kautilya. This was the 12th one, Kautilya. 13th one, Kingdom. Kingdom. 13th one, Kingdom. Kingdom. 14th one, Meghdut. Meghdut. Come on, now the speed will increase. 15th one, Vishnugupta. Vishnugupta. This is 15th one, Vishnugupta.
सर 13 और 14 मेरा बाकी है.
I will not answer you if you will speak in Hindi. And that is why it is called the test. The time limit is there, spelling test is there, everything you have to practice. And you cannot interrupt me like this when I'm speaking. Okay, 16th one, Emperor. 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 Nurul Abbas' camera is also off. I never expected this to count him absent. Okay. And the last one, I don't know if I have given you this word or not. Just let me know. The last word is victory. 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 Yes, it is not victory, it's victory. People generally speaks like this. How many hard words? Sadi, sir, what is your name? I forgot.
Sadi Amir, sir.
Amir, how many hard words have you written?
14. Sir 17. Sir 17.
Sir,
Sir,
17.
17 लिखा है.
sir is not 17. Sir is only one.
I have a book.
Hard words, we have written 17. You have the book. I also have the book in which so many hard words are there. In which I should say 12 lessons are there. Okay. So, sir, we have written 17 hard words. So, try to frame the sentence properly in English now. You know that sir will never allow you to speak wrong English.
Yes.
सज्जाद ने तो पेन कैप भी बंद कर दी. Yes, Sajjad. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. That means now don't ask me any question. Okay, jokes apart. Fine. Now, I have already sent you the PDF file in the group. For those who are not having, sir, you are strict. Mohammed Anas has written, you are. Yes, I am sometimes, you know that. Otherwise, I crack the joke in the class. I do the comedy as well. But this, as this is online, I am strict regarding how you sit, how you write, because everything is recorded, right, beta? So even I have to be strict in that. Okay. Anyway, 17 hard words you have written, not sir 17, hard words 17. So every time we will try to make the new lectures, like I said, we will try to enjoy it. Now, as you have written 17 hard words, let me check the time. Still we have the time. Let us start with the new test. Huh, beta? Let us start with the new test. I already have started with the poem also, right? So again, hard words of poem. So please give the heading on the new page. Poem 2, Alexander the Great. Virani, keep the tongue inside. Otherwise the mosquito will bite your tongue. So, Alexander the Great, poem 2, and then again write hard words test or spelling test, whichever way you want. See, I have already sent you the PDF file. You can check your spellings from that. For those who are not having the textbook, they now have PDF file. For those who have the textbook, they can just check it from that.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
I'm not talking to you. Thank you. Amir, you are looking at students or you're looking at me, Amir? Don't make so dangerous face. Okay, anyways, after being ready, after getting ready with the heading, hard words, everything on the new page, just show me thumbs up in the camera. Not that thumbs up. You will bring thumbs up. Mummy, Rohan sir ने thumbs up लाने को बोली है. Thumbs up. Show me thumbs up from your hand. Mohammad Abbas Virani, you are going Bhavnagar to Ahmedabad. Sit at one place, please. Thumbs up, taste the thunder. ऐसा आता है ना कुछ? Okay. Again, Hussein sir, I can only see your hairstyle, which is pretty good, but I don't want to see that. My hairstyle is not good. It's of no use. You know, here we need to show the book. Okay. Wow, Amir, wow.
Sir, drink water.
Slowly, but I'm wearing hands-free. And that is of 2000 iPhone. It is very loud. Drink water. And sir, may I drink water? You're asking me or you're telling me to drink water? Okay, I will drink water if you ask. Okay. I followed your advice. No, I really was very thirsty. I wanted to drink the water. Okay, enough. Now we don't have time. Come on. Poem 2, hard words test. Number 1. Alexander. Yawning. Hussein is yawning. Number 1. Hussein. What Hussein? Alexander. Number 1, Alexander. Number 1, Alexander.
Sir, number 2, speak.
Please mute the mic. Thank you. Number 2, empire. Empire. It is not necessary that I will give you hard words, only from which I have given you. I can ask any word from any page of the lesson and poem we have done, obviously. Okay, number 2, empire. Empire. Number 3, rain. Not rain, barish nahi, not rain, not that water. Rain. Now I cannot spell it out because it is your spelling test. Rain. During the rain, that rain. Next, number 4, military. Generally people speak it military. No, it is wrong. Military. 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 What is military? Done? Military. Okay, next, number 5. Turkey. Turkey. उसको तुर्की नहीं बोलते. Turkey. It's Turkey. 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 Next, this will be number
6 number. Number 6.
number 7.
6 number.
6. 6
Six.
number.
Six number.
Number 6. Sir 6.
6 number.
This will be number 7.
Number 6.
No. You are going to write which number now?
6.
6.
6, sir.
Okay. Okay.
6.
Okay. इतनी तो युवराज ने भी 6 नहीं मारी. Okay, I got it. Number 6, Syria. Syria. Sir नहीं, Syria. Sir very easy. SIR, sir. Spelling is very easy. You don't have to write that. You have to write Syria. Mohammad Anas, you have come very near to the camera. I can see even where the hairstyle in each hair is going. I don't want to see that. I want to see your book and face. Amir, you are perfect. Don't comb your hair. Or like me, you have the habit of doing like this again and again. Okay, next, number 7. After Syria, number 7, Egypt. Someone speaks this Egypt. It is wrong. Egypt. Egypt जैसा कुछ है ही नहीं वर्ल्ड में. So, Egypt. Now you will be writing number 8. Yes or no? Just say this and this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Number 8. Yes, sir. Yes,
Thank you.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
वो कैसेट चिपक जाती है ना, फिर मारना पड़ता है धार. Okay. Number 8, Babylon. हाँ अमीर. Babylon. You and your brother likes the way I speak, right? That's why you copy me. Tooth came out.
Sir, number 9.
Sabr. Patience. Otherwise, I will make you patient. You will have to go to doctor. So keep some patience. Good wind is coming. Let me breathe in the air. Amir. Let me breathe in the air. It's air. Okay. Next. Persia. 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 This was for Amir. Now for the normal students. Persia. Persia. Now you will be writing number 10.
Yes, sir.
Just nod your head. Okay. Number 10.
Sir, 11.
Sir, 11. No.
Sir, 10.
Sir, 10.
10. Sir, 10.
Sir, 10. What is Sir 10? 30 hospital. 30.
Hello, sir, 10.
Okay.
Number
Okay.
10.
Okay. I got it. Amir, I got it. Okay. Next, number 10 is Macedonian. Macedonian. Now for the normal students, Macedonian. One is for the Amir section and one is for the other students section. Different pronunciation.
Sir, what?
For you, the pronunciation is Macedonian. For students, other students, it is Macedonian. Nurul is always smiling. Nurul, I already have written absent. Why didn't you turn on the camera first? I took your name 5 times. You know that? And now at least adjust the camera properly. I want to see your face and book both the things. ये मेहरबानी करते हैं ना सिर पे ऐसे मैं ऐसे दिखा रहा हूँ ये keep it like this so I can see. Macedonian is done. Next, conquest. 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 And for the other students, conquest. See, I have 3 pronunciation: Indian, American, British. Amir will use British. I will use American. Students will use Indian. No, Nurul is saying no. Okay.
Russian.
Haha, Russian. I don't know that. I know to speak these 3 types. Then you will say German. Possible ही नहीं है. Time चला जाएगा. Next. Next, malaria. Malaria. देवजानी कितना हंसोगे? Malaria. Ruhan is getting bored.
सर फोन आ रहा है इसलिए मैं 2 मिनट बाद
बाहर जाओ, फोन को भी लेके जाओ. Yes. Sorry for the joke. Next one is malaria, written malaria. Okay. Next is Paul Perro. Paul Perro. Name of the poet. Paul Perro. Okay, so that is the end of the lecture. Check your answers. The PDF is already shared in the group. Another PDF will be shared soon. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Okay, sir. Bye,
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Dan 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 dan
Bye, sir.
અંગૂઠો માર દો.
બેટા બેટા થાકી ગયા.
એ રૂવાન બહુ સારો લાગો. એ મજા આવી સરના લેક્ચરમાં.
Recording starts.
એકદમ ગાભાનો દડો. એ ગાભાનો દડો કઈ ગયો.